Spam.
It's more than just a canned meat. It's a global icon. Loved by millions around the world, Spam has become a versatile ingredient in kitchens, famous for its unique taste and incredible convenience. But have you ever wondered how millions of Spam cans are made each year? In this video, we'll uncover the fascinating journey of Spam, from its humble beginnings to the impressive factory process that creates this iconic product. You'll see how science, technology, and tradition come together to bring Spam from the factory floor to your table. Whether you enjoy it fried, in sandwiches, or as part of a special recipe, Spam has a special place in food culture. So, sit back and let's dive into the story behind those iconic blue and yellow cans. The origin of Spam. Spam's story begins in the late 1930s, during a time when canned goods were becoming increasingly popular for their convenience and long shelf life. It was created by Hormel Foods, a company based in Austin, Minnesota. Hormel had already made a name for itself with a range of meat products, but Spam was about to take things to a whole new level. The man behind Spam was Jay Hormel, son of the company's founder, George Hormel. Jay wanted to create a product that was affordable, easy to cook, and didn't require refrigeration, perfect for families during the Great Depression. In 1937, after months of experimenting, Spam was born. The name itself is a mix of spiced and ham, though its exact origin remains a fun mystery. Spam's real claim to fame came during World War II. The U.S. military needed a reliable food source that could be shipped overseas and withstand harsh conditions. Spam fit the bill perfectly. Millions of cans were sent to soldiers, and it quickly became a part of military life. After the war, Spam found its way into kitchens around the world. In countries like South Korea, the Philippines, and Hawaii, Spam became more than just a convenience food. It became a cultural staple. Today, Spam is sold in over 40 countries and continues to be a favorite for its versatility and flavor. From its humble beginnings in Minnesota to becoming a global phenomenon, Spam's journey is a true success story. Now, let's explore what makes Spam so special, starting with the ingredients that go into every can. Ingredients and sourcing. What exactly is Spam made of? Despite some of the myths and jokes about it over the years, Spam is made from simple, high-quality ingredients. Each can contains just 6 main ingredients: pork with ham, salt, water, sugar, potato starch, and sodium nitrite. These combine to create Spam's unique taste and long shelf life.
Pork and ham.
The star ingredients of Spam are pork and ham. Hormel carefully sources these meats from trusted suppliers who meet strict quality standards. The pork comes from the shoulder, which is tender and flavorful, while the ham adds a touch of richness. These cuts are inspected and trimmed to ensure consistency in every batch. Salt and sugar. Salt is key for preserving the meat and giving Spam its savory flavor, while sugar balances it out with a hint of sweetness. This combination has been perfected over decades to maintain Spam's signature taste. Potato starch and sodium nitrite. Potato starch helps bind the ingredients together, giving Spam its firm but smooth texture. Sodium nitrite, on the other hand, is a natural preservative that keeps the meat fresh and safe to eat for extended periods. Sustainability in sourcing. Hormel Foods takes sustainability seriously. The company works to minimize its environmental footprint by using efficient farming practices and maintaining strict animal welfare standards. This commitment ensures that Spam is made with both quality and responsibility in mind. With these simple ingredients, Spam manages to achieve a balance of taste, texture, and durability that few other products can match. Now that we know what goes into Spam, let's take a closer look at the incredible factory process that transforms these ingredients into millions of cans every year. The factory process. Transforming raw ingredients into millions of Spam cans is no small feat. It's a carefully orchestrated process that combines advanced machinery, strict quality control, and time-tested techniques. Let's take a step-by-step look at how Spam is made in the factory. 1. Preparing the meat. The journey begins with the pork and ham arriving at the factory. The meat is trimmed, inspected, and ground into a fine consistency. This ensures the texture is uniform in every can. The ground meat is then sent through a mixing station where salt, sugar, potato starch, and water are added to create the Spam mixture. 2. Blending for perfection. Once all the ingredients are combined, the mixture is blended in massive vats. This step is crucial for evenly distributing the flavors and creating Spam's signature smooth texture. The blending machines are designed to mix large quantities while maintaining consistency across every batch. 3. Filling the cans. The blended mixture is pumped into Spam's iconic rectangular cans. Automated machines precisely measure the amount of mixture to ensure each can is filled to the exact same level. After filling, the lids are placed on the cans and sealed tightly to lock in freshness. 4. Cooking under pressure. The sealed cans are then loaded into giant pressure cookers, also known as retorts. These industrial ovens cook Spam at high temperatures and under controlled pressure. This process not only cooks the meat but also sterilizes the cans, ensuring the product is safe and shelf-stable for years. 5. Cooling and labeling. Once the cooking process is complete, the cans are quickly cooled using water or air. This step prevents overcooking and prepares the cans for labeling. Automated labeling machines apply the familiar blue and yellow Spam labels, making each instantly recognizable. 6. Quality control checks. At every stage of production, Spam undergoes rigorous quality checks. Factory workers and advanced sensors ensure the meat mixture, cooking process, and canning meet Hormel's high standards. If any defects are found, those cans are removed and recycled to maintain quality consistency. 7. Packing and shipping. Finally, the finished Spam cans are packed into boxes and prepared for distribution. Hormel's logistics team ensures that millions of cans reach grocery stores, restaurants, and consumers around the world every day. From raw ingredients to the final product, the factory process is a perfect mix of efficiency, precision, and tradition. Next, let's explore the critical role of canning and sealing in preserving Spam's flavor and freshness. Canning and sealing. The canning and sealing process is one of the most critical steps in making Spam. It ensures that the product remains fresh, flavorful, and safe to eat for years. Let's explore this step in more detail. 1. The iconic Spam can. Spam's rectangular can isn't just for aesthetics. It's a practical design that maximizes storage and shipping efficiency. The cans are made from durable, food-grade metal to protect the product from external factors like light, air, and moisture. 2. Precise filling. After the Spam mixture is blended to perfection, it is pumped into the cans through automated filling machines. These machines are calibrated to deliver a precise amount of mixture into each can, ensuring uniformity across millions of products. 3. Vacuum sealing. Once the cans are filled, lids are securely placed on top. Before sealing, a vacuum is created inside the can to remove any air. This step is crucial because it prevents spoilage by eliminating oxygen, which can cause bacteria to grow. 4. Double seaming. The cans are sealed using a method called double seaming. This involves rolling the edges of the lid and can together to form an airtight seal. The process is incredibly fast, with machines sealing hundreds of cans per minute. The result is a robust, leak-proof seal that preserves the Spam mixture inside. 5. Ensuring shelf stability. The sealed cans are then subjected to high-pressure cooking, which sterilizes the contents and further ensures that the product is shelf-stable. This combination of vacuum sealing and sterilization allows Spam to maintain its quality for years without refrigeration. 6. Final inspections. Each sealed can undergoes a final round of quality control. Machines check for any dents, leaks, or imperfections in the seal. Cans that don't meet the standards are removed from the production line to be recycled or reprocessed. Thanks to this meticulous process, Spam cans are able to maintain their freshness and signature flavor from the factory floor to your kitchen. Now, let's take a closer look at the nutritional aspects of Spam and why it continues to be a versatile choice in households worldwide. Nutritional profile and versatility. Spam has been a household staple for decades, not just because of its iconic taste, but also for its versatility in the kitchen. While it may not be a health food, Spam offers a balance of convenience and flavor that appeals to millions worldwide. Let's dive into its nutritional profile and how it's used in meals. 1. The nutritional breakdown. A typical 2-ounce serving of Spam contains approximately calories, 180, protein, 7 grams, fat, 16 grams, 6 grams saturated fat, sodium, 790 milligrams, carbohydrates, 1 gram. Spam is high in protein, making it a convenient source of energy, especially in situations where fresh meat might not be available. However, it's also high in fat and sodium, which is why moderation is key when including Spam in your diet. 2. Long shelf life. One of Spam's greatest advantages is its shelf life. Thanks to its airtight canning and preservation process, Spam can last for years without refrigeration. This makes it a popular choice for emergency food supplies, camping trips, and global relief efforts. 3. Culinary versatility. Spam's mild, savory flavor allows it to shine in a wide variety of dishes. Here are just a few ways it's used around the world. Breakfast. Pan-fried Spam served with eggs and toast is a classic combination. Sandwiches. Slices of Spam can be grilled and added to sandwiches for a quick, flavorful meal. Asian cuisine. Spam is a beloved ingredient in dishes like Korean beauty jjigae, army stew, and Hawaiian Spam musubi, Spam on rice wrapped in seaweed. Quick stir-fries. Cubed Spam adds a salty kick to stir-fried vegetables or noodles. Soups and stews. Its rich flavor enhances broths and hearty soups. 4. A global favorite. Spam's versatility and long shelf life have earned it fans in countries around the globe. In places like Hawaii, South Korea, and the Philippines, Spam is not just a convenience food. It's a cultural phenomenon, celebrated in festivals and featured in local recipes. Despite its simplicity, Spam has found a way to adapt to countless cuisines, proving its staying power as a beloved pantry staple. Now that we've explored its versatility, let's wrap up with a look at how Spam has become an enduring icon in popular culture. Cultural impact and legacy of Spam. Spam is more than just a canned meat product. It's a cultural icon that has made its way into history, art, and even humor. Let's explore how Spam has left a lasting impression on the world beyond the kitchen. 1. Spam in wartime history. Spam gained massive popularity during World War II when fresh meat was scarce. It became a staple for soldiers, offering a reliable source of protein that could withstand harsh conditions. Military rations. Millions of Spam cans were sent to troops worldwide, and soldiers nicknamed it ham that didn't pass its physical. A lifeline in Europe and Asia. After the war, Spam played a role in feeding war-torn regions. Its availability helped rebuild communities by providing a source of sustenance during recovery periods. 2. Spam in pop culture. Spam has been featured in numerous songs, movies, and comedy sketches, cementing its place in entertainment. Monty Python's Spam sketch. This famous sketch humorously highlighted the ubiquity of Spam, repeating the word Spam so often that it inspired the term Spam for unwanted emails. Songs and references. Musicians have referenced Spam in lyrics, and it has even inspired a Broadway musical, Spam-A-Lot, based on Monty Python's humor. Movies and TV shows. Spam has made appearances in various shows as a symbol of nostalgia and simplicity. 3. Celebrations and festivals. In places where Spam has become a cultural phenomenon, it's celebrated with annual events and festivals. Hawaii's Spam Jam. This festival in Honolulu celebrates Spam with creative dishes, music, and art, drawing locals and tourists alike. South Korea's gift sets. Spam is often given as a gift during holidays like Chuseok, Korean Thanksgiving, highlighting its unique cultural significance. 4. An enduring brand. Spam's ability to stay relevant for nearly a century is a testament to its adaptability. New varieties. Spam has introduced flavors like jalapeno, teriyaki, and bacon to appeal to modern palates. Health-conscious options. The brand also offers lower sodium and less fat versions for those seeking healthier alternatives. Global reach. Today, Spam is sold in over 40 countries, with each region embracing it in unique ways. 5. Nostalgia and comfort food. For many, Spam represents more than just a meal. It's a connection to childhood memories, family traditions, and simpler times. Its consistent taste and convenience have made it a comfort food that transcends generations. Spam's journey from a wartime necessity to a cultural and culinary icon is a remarkable story of resilience and reinvention. It has proven that even the simplest products can achieve legendary status through innovation, adaptability, and a little bit of humor. If you like this behind-the-scene process, subscribe to my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.